ILLIXR is an open-source full-system testbed that provides the ability to run OpenXR applications end-to-end using state-of-the-art runtime components and real cameras and IMUs. This demo shows an OpenXR-based graphics application developed in Blender running using ILLIXR. The bottom window shows the Blender UI in which the application was developed. On the top left, we have the rendered stereoscopic image that will be presented to the user. The middle window on the top shows a live stereo camera feed of the user's surroundings obtained using a Z-Mini camera. The window on the right shows ILLIXR's debug view, which provides useful information such as the pose of the user. When the user moves their head, the effects can be seen in all three windows in the top row. The camera images and IMU readings are used by a SLAM algorithm called OpenVince to estimate the user's pose, i.e. their location and orientation. The current pose can be seen in the debug view on the right. The Blender application obtains the pose from the ILLIXR runtime using the OpenXR API, and then uses it to perform rendering from the correct perspective. Finally, right before VSync, Time Warp queries the latest pose to perform late-stage reprojection, which minimizes motion-to-photon latency by ensuring that the rendered image is from the perspective of the user's latest pose. The final stereoscopic image can be seen on the top left.